In 2010, you could buy one Bitcoin for less than $1. Today, it's over $100,000. So, the big question is, which cryptos could be tomorrow's winners? Hi, I'm Sasha from SwapSpace Academy, and in this lesson, we'll explore crypto market trends, entry and exit points, and which coins fit different investment goals. As known, crypto moves in cycles. Spotting the trend can save or make you a fortune. When the market is bullish, optimism pushes prices higher. When it's bearish, fear takes over and prices usually fall. These shifts aren't random. They're driven by powerful forces. One big driver is Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, mining rewards get cut in half. That means fewer new coins on the market. And less supply often means higher prices. In the past, halvings have kicked off major rallies. Second, big events matter too. For example, during the 2024 US election, Bitcoin hit a record high of more than $75,000 as traders expected Donald Trump's win to bring crypto-friendly rules. Right after the election, the price climbed even higher, past $94,000. So, it's not only about traders. Regulation, government policies, and institutional moves can all swing the market. Even one single tweet can move markets. Remember when Elon Musk sent Dogecoin soaring with just a few words? And with so many factors in play, how do investors keep track? That's where tools come in. News sites like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph keep you up to speed on what's happening. On social media, voices like Vitalik Buterin or Chris Dixon can spark ideas and debates. And for a quick snapshot of market mood, there's the Fear and Greed Index, showing if people are panicking or getting greedy. Put these together, and you start seeing where the market might be heading. So, trends tell you what's happening, but timing tells you what to do. Let's find out, when do you buy or sell crypto? True or false? The best entry point is when the market is at its peak. False. The smart move is to buy after a dip or when a promising new project is launching. For example, buying Ethereum at $1,000 during the 2022 crash was smart. Buying Doggy at its 2021 peak? Painful. Next one. An exit point always means selling everything at once. True or false? False again. For short-term traders, in coins like Dogecoin, exits can happen multiple times a day. But long-term investors, they simply hold until big cycles or milestones like Bitcoin halvings. Let's talk. Name one coin you regret buying too early or too late, or not buying at all. Now that you know how timing works, what cryptos should beginners actually consider? If you're just starting out, the safest bet is usually the blue chips of crypto. Bitcoin, the digital gold, with a market cap of 21 million coins. Or Ethereum, the basis of DeFi, NFTs, and thousands of apps. And also Solana, super fast and low cost, loved by DeFi users and gamers. They're not risk-free, but they've got history, strong adoption, and huge communities behind them. But if you're looking for fast gains, short-term plans might be it. Shiba Inu or Pepe are meme coins that can get super high or crash overnight. TRX is focused on entertainment with quick wins possible. Timing is everything here. You might double your money fast, but losses can hit just as quickly. So how do you balance it all? Diversify. Think of it like your diet. Stable coins like USDC or USDT are your vegetables. They are steady and safe. Blue chip crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum is your main meal. They are the solid foundation. And high-risk plays like meme coins or new projects are your dessert. Fun, but don't overdo it. A healthy mix of these three types gives you a balance of security, growth, and a bit of excitement. But before you hit buy, there are a few golden rules to keep in mind. Do your own research. Don't just follow hype. Know your risk tolerance and only invest what you can afford to lose. Check regulations and security. Use trusted platforms. Look at the community. Projects with strong support last longer. So, what do you pick? The long-term safety of Bitcoin and Ethereum, or the thrill of short-term meme coins? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson on setting up your crypto wallet. Please remember that we do not provide financial advice, and it's important to always conduct your own research. See you.